Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best backyard fire pit. The Gas 122-inch outdoor wood-burning fire pit. If you're searching for a durable, stylish, and practical fire pit to enhance your outdoor gatherings, this might just be the perfect fit for your space. The Gas 1 fire pit measures 21.5 inches in diameter and stands 20 inches tall with the lid on, making it a compact yet spacious option for small to medium-sized groups. Its round shape and modern design easily blend into any backyard, porch, deck, or camping setup, adding both warmth and ambiance to your outdoor experience. What really sets this fire pit apart is its construction. It's built from high-quality alloy steel that is both rust-resistant and designed to withstand the elements. The surface is coated with a heat-resistant powder finish, ensuring that the paint won't peel or crack even after prolonged use. This means it's not only sturdy but also built to last through many seasons of outdoor enjoyment. Safety is a key consideration with any fire pit, and Gas 1 has you covered. The fire pit comes with a specially designed mesh lid that helps contain sparks while allowing airflow to keep your fire burning strong and steady. The lid also features a sturdy circular handle so you can easily lift it without risking burns. Along with the lid, the package includes a handy fire picker tool, making it easier to manage your fire logs or charcoal without needing to improvise. Assembly is straightforward and quick, with the fire pit arriving ready for easy setup. Its lightweight design, at just over 5 kilograms or roughly 12 pounds, means you can move it around your outdoor space or take it with you on camping trips or beach outings without hassle. Despite being portable, the fire pit remains stable during use, providing a reliable fire experience wherever you take it. In terms of versatility, this fire pit fits perfectly in various settings, from backyard parties and family reunions to cozy evenings on the porch or outdoor barbecue sessions. Its compact size makes it ideal for those who want a fire pit that doesn't take up too much space but still delivers excellent performance and atmosphere. The Gas 122-inch outdoor wood-burning fire pit combines functionality, safety, and aesthetic appeal in a single package. Its durable materials and thoughtful features make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to add warmth and charm to their outdoor living areas. Whether you're roasting marshmallows with the kids or enjoying a relaxed evening by the fire with friends, this fire pit will be your go-to companion. That wraps up our review of the Gas 1 outdoor wood-burning fire pit, the best backyard fire pit we've seen for its combination of quality, convenience, and style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.